Hi everyone. So another low carb dessert recipe. Get the book up for shortbread cookies. There's all the nutritional information for anybody that wants it. And let's see what I'm going to need. Anytime there. Almond flour. A calls for swerve. I'm using what I used for the ginger snap cookies. It's got the same sweetener and has the same calorie and carb count. Vanilla. I used imitation, should have used regular. Butter, supposed to be softened, and a pinch of salt. Okay, first I need to take the almond flour and the sweetener and the salt and mix it together. I'm trying to get the lumps out of the almond flour. It's really lumpy. Just try and mix it together. Okay. Still amazes me how much almond flour looks like sand. Am I the only one that notices that? Raise your hand if you notice that. Okay, now the butter. I'm going to melt this. It says soften, but here. I think melting will work better. And the vanilla. Alright. This actually forms something, I'll be surprised. I can't believe it's actually forming something. Talk about really looking like sand. And it's all stuck to the spatula. Keep mixing. Did a lot better keeping on frame, didn't I? And it's starting to stick together. Okay, now I got a little scooper and some parchment paper, and that ain't working. Oh, they just fall apart every time I scoop them. Okay, I'll scoop them in my hand and reform into balls. And then smush them down. Okay, keep going. Next row. Alright. It's working a lot better to scoop it into my hand and then onto the tray. Doesn't stick together very well, but assuming it's only got butter in it, okay. And if I remember right, this is the last one. Now into the 350-degree oven. And it specifically says 10 minutes. Let's see. Alright. What was amazing is while these were baking, they smelled like chocolate. Let's see. Not the best shortbread, but okay. Just go up and down. Thanks for watching.